and welcome to another video for Auto Solutions Checkpoint. Well, these are all here for one reason and one reason only, obviously to see me, but nah, I'm only joking. These are here to see how a pollen filter is installed on an Audi A3 8V model, which is also the same kind of setup on the Mark 7 Golf, and I would say various other Volkswagens, Audis, Seats, Skodas will more than likely be the same, but don't quote me on it. But we're going to focus on the A3 8V model, which is 2013 to 2018 model. Okay, so it's just a brief description on its location and how it's done as well. So the location of the pollen filter is also the same location on a Mark 7 Golf as well, and no doubt on various other Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda and Seat cars, because they're very much the same kind of setup. But don't quote me on it, we're just going to focus on the A3. So in the glove compartment there's a wee sneaky panel here. You need to get that panel out, so you just get your finger in and pull it out towards you. Okay, so this will allow you to gain access to the pollen filter, which is here. Right, these you push down the way, but obviously you can't get it with your fingers. I've got a long screwdriver. That's how long my screwdriver is, just in case any ladies are interested. I'm only joking. I'm happily settled down. So the blind man can now see what he's doing. Okay, so I've got a pair of pliers, pointy nose pliers. This is how easy it is for you to change your cabin filter. Okay, that just lifts out. Okay, so here is your pollen filter. Allow me to just show you 2 seconds. So basically what you see here, the pollen filter is doing its job. It's keeping all this here stuff away from you when you're inside the vehicle. Okay, obviously we'll get this replaced. We've got a nice shiny new one to go into it. Okay, so there's the difference, just to make you aware. This is what this filter does. It keeps all the crap out of the cockpit inside your car, that you're not breathing all this in. Okay, so this here otherwise would end up lying about in your vehicle, which isn't ideal, is it? Let's get the new one positioned in. So that's the cabin filter installed, nice shiny new white one. Okay, and whenever you're putting the cover back on, there's 3 wee bits at the bottom. You need to make sure that all 3 are positioned in. 2, 3, right, and then push. Not obviously not mega hard, but push with your fingers so you hear a wee click. Click the middle one, click the other side one, and then click the other side one. So 1, 2, 3. That's the pollen filter, nice and secure. So you can put the cover back on. There we go. So that's how you do a pollen filter on an Audi A3 8V. Okay, so you have been educated, and this is how it's done. There we have it, friends. A nice easy job that you have seen now, so you're a wee bit more clued up as to what you can do yourself. Anyway, that's the vehicle done, and I'm now on my way back to the customer. It was in for a full service. I wasn't going to bore you with the full details of the service, because you have seen it over and over and over again. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. 10-10 over and out.